Hi Year 1, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do your maths learning. It's all about sharing today. So first of all, you need to go and find something from around your house that you've got quite a lot of. I've got some things here to show you what I found around my house. So I found lots of gloves, or maybe you've got lots of socks. Playing cards could be a good useful one to have. Maybe you've got lots of pens, or I've got some dried pasta, it's quite good. Stones, sorry you can't see them, some stones from my garden, or actually today I'm going to be using some corks. I've been collecting them for my wedding, so I thought I might as well. So today we're going to be sharing. Sharing we need to do one by one to make sure that each person gets the same equal amount. So I've just got all my corks ready. So let me know what you're using to do your maths as well. I'd love to find out. Just email us and I would love to know. So you might have some questions like, Dan has 10 apples and he shares them between 2 people. How many apples does each person get? So the first thing you need to do is to get your item. So I've got my corks and you're going to count out how many you start with. Dan has 10 apples, so I'm going to have 10 corks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got my 10 corks. And then you need to push everything else out of the way so you don't get confused. Then you need to start sharing them between the number of people that it says. So our question was, Dan has 10 apples and he shares them between 2 people. So I'm now going to share them between the 2 people. Got, one person and the other person. And then you do it one at a time, making sure that your 2 people stay separate. So keep putting one to one side, one to the other side until they've all gone. And then what you need to do is to see how many just one person has. So if I hold mine up, do with one hand, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This person has 5. I'm just going to check my answer by making sure that the other person, maybe you've got more than 2 people, have also got the same number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant. I've got the same number for both people here. So when Dan shares his 10 apples between 2 people, each person gets 5. I have 10. That's what I started off with. I have 10. I share them between 2 people and they have 5 each. So I'm just sharing them out again. I have 10. I share them between 2 people and they have 5 each. So I'm going to do another example so you can hear me using that talk frame again. So this time we're going to have Sam, and Sam has 15 bananas. Now obviously I don't have 15 bananas in my house, so I'm just going to use my corks again. So I'm going to start by counting out 15, and the question says that Sam has 15 bananas and she shares them between 5 people. So I've got 10 so far. There we go, 15. So I've got my 15 corks and she's going to share them between 5 people. So 1, another person, 3, 4, 5. So I've got my 5 groups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you've got the right number of people first. And then start sharing out the rest of what you've got. One at a time, making sure they go with the rest of the group. So I'm actually lining them up behind each other. So I'm just doing it one at a time. Sam has 15 bananas and she shares them between 5 people. How many does each person get? So I've finished, I've ran out of my corks. I'm going to look at how many each person has. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what my first person's got. Now I'm going to check, make sure I've done it correctly by looking at each of the other people to make sure that they've all got the same answer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is looking good. 1, 2, 3. And then finally 1, 2, 3. So yes, I've done it right. I have 15. I share between 5 people and they have 3 each. I'll use that talk frame again. I have 15. I share them between 5 people and they have 3 each. Okay, so good luck. Use whatever you can around your house, and I look forward to seeing how you get on with your maths learning today. See you again soon. Bye.